secret lab. Okay. Just had to laugh, right? Okay. Well, here's what's going on. I want to put a trigger under the tree. Right close to the base of the tree. Yeah. That's about right. Then on the trigger, we're gonna have a math function. I'm gonna have it basically randomly decide whether or not you got wood. So, now how are we gonna find that rope? You don't want to be ropeless, right? I'm gonna use something similar around the rock so that I can show it, but it's only gonna be a one-time deal, so it's gonna use a slightly different variable. Trigger time. Don't get triggered here. I know it can be triggering, but don't trigger. I'm being funny, ain't I? Okay, so now we're gonna add if it's equal to 0, I want you to increase the number value and change it to change the position of the actor to shown instead of hidden, and then I want you to basically do nothing if the value isn't 0. So that immediately completes that little simple circle there. Okay, let's run through it. So if the bug box is already there, it's not going to trigger anything. Else, it's going to check and see if you have the wood to do it. And if you don't have the wood, it's going to do nothing. So yeah. So only in a certain case will this actually do something. What's going to happen is, you know what? Let's go ahead and add. Okay, so if it's what's going to happen is if it lands on 1 or 2, you're going to get to go somewhere, right? You're going to be sent to one of these 2 spots. If it's not, nothing's going to happen. So let's give it a little extra randomness by making it where you're more likely to have nothing happen. Oh, this is going to be running off the RNG, not local. This is going to be our intro screen, right? And our intro is going to have triggers. Yes, triggers. The lovely things that get people doing things. Trigger load should be for loading your save data. There we go. And then trigger. Actually, that trigger's not big enough. Expand, please. That looks about right. There. That should make it easier for the person to hit it, and like that. Here's where we're gonna have some fun. Oh, I also need to fix this. This is too wide for starters. You know what? Maybe it needs to be 3 by 2. Yeah, that should work. Okay. That was a little wide, honestly. Made it seem rather odd. I should go ahead and do this one. Rig up the trigger right. Okay, so I have the trigger kind of rigged, but what I'm going to do is add a secondary rig into it. Because, yes, it's cool that it does the randomize thing, and like that. But these 2 are also going to be under some locks. We got all this locking going on, or blocking, however you want to look at it. going on. So what's the point here? What's happening is I'm decreasing your odds of getting these animals endlessly. This. I want to copy the trigger. Yeah. And I want to paste the trigger. I want to make some small ones. Yeah, that kind of works. Kind of breaks things down. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you later. Bye.